Hello, my name is Alexis with Imperium Dynamics, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. This is the place to be if you're looking to understand your customers better. And let's be honest, who isn't? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of how this tool can revolutionize the way you know your customers. First things first, what exactly is Dynamics 365 Customer Insights? Picture this. You've got customer data pouring in from various sources. Transactions, interactions, social media, etc. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights is like a master conductor, harmonizing all the scattered data into a unified view of your customers. This tool integrates data from multiple touchpoints. It takes all those puzzle pieces of customer information and fits them together to create a complete picture of their preferences, behaviors, and needs. As for the dashboard, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights presents all this consolidated data into an easy-to-understand visual format. You get detailed customer profiles that help you understand them better on a whole new level. But wait, there's more. This tool is powered by AI, which doesn't just show you what's happening now, it predicts what could happen next. This predictive analytics gives you a glimpse into the future trends and behaviors, helping you take action today. Now here's where the real value kicks in. You can create hyper-personalized marketing campaigns and customer engagement strategies with these insights. Avoid generic approaches. It's all about delivering the tailored experience that says, "We understand." So let's sum it up. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights is your amazing tool for understanding customers like never before. It helps you predict, personalize, and ultimately drive business towards building more robust, lasting relationships. If you're wondering what Dynamics 365 Customer Insights can do for your business, don't hesitate to reach out to a representative here at Imperium Dynamics. We have a plethora of Dynamics 365 Customer Insights experts at your disposal, so contact us today to get started on your journey to understanding your audience like never before.